All right, geometry, this is your 15.5 volume of a pyramid lesson. After this, you should go watch that demonstration of how we know the volume of a pyramid, or a way of visualizing it. But go ahead and watch this first and then watch that video and then get started on your homework. I'll see you guys on Monday. So let's go ahead and get started here. Single page, there we go. What is a pyramid? Well, you might see them in Giza. You might see that one down south, the Bass Pro Pyramid, I think it's called, that big store. Or there's one in France in front of the Louvre, or there's a pyramid in Las Vegas. There's a hotel that's a pyramid. But a pyramid is a three-dimensional shape that has triangular sides that come together at a point called the apex, or the vertex. We might also call it the vertex. Pyramids are named for their base, right? So depending on what kind of base, if it's a triangle or a square or a rectangle, we'll have a different kind of base. So it'll be a triangular pyramid, square pyramid, rectangular pyramid, those kind of things. Okay, the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 of the base times the height. So in that demonstration video, I'll talk about why it's 1/3, but it's 1/3 of the base times the height. So if you think of the volume of a prism that we talked about last lesson, that was V is equal to BH. So a pyramid, if it has the same base, it's obviously going to be less, right? Because it's not the full rectangle shape. It comes to a point right there. So it's actually going to be exactly 1/3 of a rectangular prism. So say we had a rectangular prism. Sorry, I'm bad at drawing these. Say we had a rectangular prism that had the same base length as this one. These had the same base length, same area here. This one would be 3 times, or another way of saying that is this one would be 1/3 of the volume of that rectangular prism. Okay, so the volume of a pyramid is V equals 1/3 BH. Put that on your line. That's theorem 92 or postulate 15. Here's an example. We have a B and an H line to fill in. Let's go ahead and do that. The B again stands for my base, being the area of the base, right? So B is equal to, if I want to find the area of something like this, that's a rectangle, so I'll just go 8 times 7, length times width, right? I'll get my area is 56, and then I'll have my height being 6 inches. The height is just the distance from the center of the base to the vertex, or the apex at the top of the pyramid. I go ahead and multiply my 56 times my 6, so V is equal to 1/3, 1/2 of 56, that's the area of my base, times my height. So multiply 56 and 6, we get 336. And then I multiply that by 1/3. 1/3. And I get 112. So my volume is going to be 112 inches cubed. On the next one, same thing, but this time my base is a says that's V equals BH. Let's say 1/3 BH. My base this time is a triangle. So the area of my base is going to be 1/2 times the base times the height. So the base of this triangle is 8. 1/2 times 8 times 6. I'm just finding the area of this base triangle right here. 1/2, 8 times 6 is 24. That's the area of my base. And then my height is going to be the point to the vertex, and that's 10. Okay, so if I have a base of 24 and a height of 10, I'm going to have a volume that is 1/3 of the base 24 times the height 10. That's 240 divided by 3 is going to come out to be 80 inches cubed. Last one, not in your notes, so just take a look at this one. This is what we might call an oblique pyramid. It's just bent over, but the process is the same. So my base is going to be a 10 by 12 rectangle, so 120. My height is going to be 8. So when I do V is equal to 1/3 times 120 times 8, I will get a volume of 320 units cubed. That's it. See you tomorrow, or see you Monday.